Most people wash their car at home without realizing they're actually damaging the paint, wasting water, and leaving behind streaks that ruin the shine. But today, I'm going to show you how to wash your car at home the right way, using simple tools you already have. And by the end of this video, your car will look like it just came out of a professional detailing studio. Let's begin by understanding the importance of a proper wash. A clean car doesn't only look beautiful. It protects the paint, keeps the surface smoother, prevents rust, improves resale value, and makes every drive feel fresh. Many people use dish soap or rough cloths, thinking they work the same, but these can strip wax and create tiny scratches. So we'll walk step by step through the safest and most effective method. First, gather everything you need. 2 buckets, microfiber wash mitts, car shampoo, wheel cleaner, a soft wheel brush, a pressure nozzle for your hose, and microfiber drying towels. Preparing your tools saves time and ensures you don't mix dirty and clean water. Now start with the initial rinse. Spray the entire car from top to bottom. This helps remove loose dust, sand, and pollutants that can scratch the paint if scrubbed directly. Once the car is wet, focus on the wheels. Wheels are the dirtiest part of any car, full of brake dust and mud. Spray wheel cleaner, scrub with a brush, and rinse thoroughly. This step alone makes your car look 50% cleaner. Now it's time for the foam or shampoo layer. If you have a foam cannon, cover the car in thick foam. If not, simply dip your mitt into soapy water and spread shampoo evenly. Let the foam sit for a moment so it loosens deep dirt. Then move to hand washing with the 2-bucket method, 1 bucket for soapy water and 1 for rinsing your mitt. Start washing from the top because the roof gathers the least dirt, and work your way down panel by panel. Use gentle straight line motions instead of circles to avoid swirl marks. After completing the body, rinse the car thoroughly, ensuring no soap remains. Soap left behind will cause streaks and dull spots. Once rinsed, drying is extremely important. Never let the car air dry under the sun because it creates water spots that are difficult to remove later. Use a microfiber drying towel and gently glide it over the surface to absorb water without scratching. To finish with a professional touch, apply a quick spray wax or ceramic detailer. This takes less than a minute and adds a deep shine while protecting the paint for weeks. You'll notice water beads beautifully across the surface, and the car feels smoother instantly. And finally, step back and admire the transformation. Your car will look glossy, fresh, and professionally cleaned right at home. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more car care guides, and leave a comment sharing what car you want me to feature next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your spotless ride.